There are three options when it comes to hiding your TV cords to make it look clean. One is probably the easiest option. You're gonna take a pair of scissors and just cut it like that so it won't be seen there. What? What do you mean? Okay, obviously that's not an option, but there are two other options. One is buying these wall accessories where you put a hole up here and a hole down by the outlet down here, and then you string the wire from the back through the wall down, and then you pop it out on the bottom, and then you plug it into the outlet, and so that the wire goes in the wall. That is an option. I've never done one of those before, but I've had a friend who's done it, and they say it's pretty easy. The other option that I used is this cover-up method here. And this just involves this. There are many cable management kits like this, but it just comes with a tube like so, and then covers like this, and then you just click it on together like that. The backside has adhesive. All you do is pull the cover off of it and stick it on the wall. And then if you have, long string, there's additional pieces you can use to cover up the holes. And then they're paintable, of course. So this is what I'm starting with, a bunch of cords and a few surge protectors. So I'm sticking the cables from my Xbox and my TV into this sleeve. I do a quick eye check to make sure it's level, and then I rip the cover off of the adhesive on the back and then push it onto the wall securely. And then I take the cover, put it on there. For this specific application, I built another cover to cover up all these wires because this is for my desk, for all these lights, the Xbox. Here's the cover right here. I tried to use Velcro on it, but that didn't work very good, so I'm screwing holes into it and then just gonna set it on there like I would hang a picture. Now, a lot of you watching this probably have like a media console in front of your TV. This is in my office, so I needed to create something else to hide all of my extension cords, which I Velcroed onto the wall. If you are doing this for an office, this is a great way to do it. Otherwise, you can just use your console to cover up those extension cords. Now for the painting, I'm just using the same paint color that I have for my wall, and I did a couple coats on this. Now, this cover that I'm painting here is more in the corner, not my TV one, but it's the same exact product. So these are definitely an easy method, and I highly recommend them. One thing to note is that if you stick it and then undo it and then try to stick it again, it won't stick very well. So make sure that first stick is where you want it. Make sure it's level, vertical, perfect, or horizontal, and then you won't have to move it. So those are your three best options for hiding your TV cords and cables. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. And if you're curious on how to hang a TV or an Xbox, check out these videos, and I will see y'all over there.